That's nice. I like it too. And now, to show us the definition number of how you use to eat vegetables, let us welcome the grade 6 study. Let us give them a round of applause.
Pingdong Pinoy is a food guide to promote healthy eating habit among Filipinos. It aims to ensure Filipinos get the right balance of nutrition.
Foods in the Pingdong Pinoy includes raw, and raw foods.
Raw foods are energy foods. Examples of raw foods are milk,
Bread, potato, rice, oatmeal.
These foods give us energy through fats and carbohydrates. We must include this in our daily meal so we can fully do our tasks and activities.
Raw foods help build our bodies. Some raw foods are cheese, meat, fish. These foods makes us strong and helps burn muscle.
Raw foods help protect our body from diseases. The example of raw foods are tomato,
Cabbage, broccoli, eggplant.
These foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that keeps us away from getting sick. Again, here are examples of raw. Here are examples of raw. Here are examples of low. Thank you, grade 6 Karina. We all now know what are the grow, and grow foods.
I believe we were also presented about different Filipino values.
This week's Filipino value is concern. Concern means relate to or among kapareho.
Concern for animals, atipunon po ang pakaunon po ang mga sapat. Concern for the environment. Pagdurkon po ang mga basura nga ako nakita.
Concern for environment mo, nagdanan na ako masarangan para kumita ang katutkan.
At sa show concern. Thank you, grade 6. Now, the big one from announcement. Let us call upon our beloved head teacher,